It's better to go into a college program knowing what you're going to be in for, more than going in blind. More than 1,000 high school students from across Windsor-Essex County attended the College Information Program in St. Croix College's Classic Gym, October the 6th. Students had the opportunity to speak with program representatives from across the college. As well, 23 other colleges in Ontario took part in the event, allowing students to find out about every program available in the province. Katie Jacobs, a 17-year-old high school student at St. Thomas of Villanova, showed interest in the journalism program. Jacobs says it was better to talk to a person face-to-face about the different programs available.
I really feel a lot comfortable. I was a bit nervous coming here, but I'm really happy about this because I got a whole bunch of notes of all information that I was looking for, a lot better than the website. The website's good, but it's better to speak to a person face-to-face to get the information I was looking for. So yes, this is fantastic.
Sandy McDonald, a professor in the landscape horticultural program at the college, says he answers a lot of questions about the program. McDonald says a lot of students found out about the program through events like this.
I think a lot of the students who have been by, they've just sort of seen us by chance. They've just sort of walked by and they've noticed some plant material setting there, and they've had an interest maybe in gardening, that sort of thing. So I don't think a lot of them have been targeted. They haven't noticed on the list and come to see us, but it's more or less by chance as they're walking by, which I think is true for a lot of the programs here.
According to Say Manning, the coordinator of the event, the deadline to register for Ontario College programs is February 1st, 2015. Now, with many choices for different programs available, such as service worker and educational support, the question is for many students, what program will they be attending come this next fall? For Mediaplex News Now, I'm Justin Prince.